Hey guys, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So today I am gonna be making the viral TikTok cinnamon rolls. So I went to Aldi's and got a couple of stuff. So I'm gonna be making that today. Now, y'all, I am not a baker, so I don't know how these gonna come out, but they should come out pretty great. But before we get into that, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you ever tried the cinnamon rolls, the TikTok cinnamon rolls, and yeah, what toppings do you like. So before I get started, I'm just gonna be a little extra, and I'm gonna make mine with some Oreos on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. I got my heavy whipping cream here. I got the cinnamon rolls, and then I have the Oreos. The Aldi's brand, to me, is just the same. But y'all know Aldi's have very great prices on things, so I just went with that. But honestly, they taste just about the same as Oreos. To me, I can't tell the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already greased my pan, so that'll make it easier for me. And then I am going to pop this bad boy open. And y'all, I'm at a very big age, and I'm still kind of scared when I have to open this. So I'm gonna open that. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Okay, so it comes with icing. Alright, I'm gonna put that to the side, and then I am going to put these rolls on top. So I'm not really per se making Oreo cinnamon rolls. I'm just putting Oreo on top. But if I was making Oreo cinnamon rolls, I would actually unravel this and put the cinnamon rolls inside. But maybe next time I'll try that. But for now, I'm just gonna do this. So let me flip the camera and I'll show you. Alright, so I'm just gonna simply line them up. I got my little helper here helping me. I put it on the plastic plate so that she doesn't destroy anything, but she already has, but it's alright. Come on, bang, bang, bang. You do. Okay. Good job. Okay, can mommy finish the rest now? Thank you for helping me. Thank you. Alright, so you save the frosting here. We're gonna save that for the frosting for later, and then we're just gonna dust these over, and I'm gonna show you about this. Okay. Alright, we're gonna pour this. Yeah. You wanna pour it? Okay, that's enough. Alright, my helper has left. So I'm just gonna sprinkle the Oreos on top. It's not perfectly crushed, but it's okay because my baby tried her best. Okay. Alright. So now these are going to go into the oven for about 15 minutes. The frosting. And I'm just going to put some butter. I'm going to put the icing from the Oreos, and then I'm going to put the icing from the cinnamon rolls. So I'm just using this to make like a final frosting, and I'm going to let it get warm so it can be nicely melted on top. And then I'm going to add the Oreos and then just stir that up. Okay, after the cinnamon rolls was done, I just took the frosting and I poured it on top of the cinnamon rolls, and I crushed up a little bit of more Oreos just for presentation. And y'all, these were so good. These things are literally so addicting. I made them 3 days in a row after making these, and I'll be making this again. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and comment down below if you think you'll ever try these Oreo cinnamon rolls, because I'm glad I enjoyed it. I hope you guys do too, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.